Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will see another example problem on Z test for 2 means. Okay, let's go to our video. So model 1 Z test for 2 means example 2. So the following data were collected from the two cities as regards the starting stipend paid to the new management trainees. Do the data give evidence that the stipend paid city B is significantly more than that city A? Test at significance level of 1%. Also construct the 95% and 99% confident limits for the difference between the means. So here this is the problem. So data city A and city B, monthly sample stipend 1400 and 1600, standard deviation 80 and 120, sample size 200 and 175. So here this is the data. Now we can see the solution. Okay, what is the first step of the testing of hypothesis? Null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is denoted by H naught. So in this problem we will write H naught equal to mu1 equal to mu2. Mu1 equal to mu2 means there is no significant difference between the monthly stipend of new management trainees in city A and B. And what is the second step? Alternative hypothesis. So alternative hypothesis is denoted by H1. Here H1, mu1 less than mu2. So mu1 less than mu2 means this is one-tailed test, that means left-tailed test. So how to find out given test is one-tailed test? So look at the problem here. So do the data give evidence that the stipend paid city B is significantly more than that city A? Here this is the keyword more than. So that means the stipend paid in city A is denoted by x1 and the stipend paid in city B is denoted by x2. Then B more than city A, that means A less than B, that means A less than B. So you have to compare A with B. So okay, city B is more than that city A means A less than B. That means this is left tail test. This is one tail test, left tail test. So here ikkada problem lo city B, so the stipend paid city B is significantly more than that city A అన్నాడు. అంటే B సిటీలో ఏ సిటీ కన్నా B సిటీలో పే చేసే స్టైఫండ్ ఏ సిటీ కన్నా ఎక్కువ అన్నాడు. సో మనం ఫస్ట్ x1ని ఏతో డినోట్ చేస్తాము అండ్ x2ని B సిటీలో స్టైఫండ్తో డినోట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి సో మనం ఫస్ట్ ఏతో బీని కంపేర్ చేయాలి. సో అప్పుడు బీతో చూసుకుంటే ఏ సిటీలో పే చేసే స్టైఫండ్ అనేది తక్కువ ఉంది కాబట్టి దెన్ ఏ లెస్ దాన్ బి తీసుకుంటాం. సో హియర్ లెస్ దాన్ బి కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ లెస్ దాన్ సింబల్ వస్తే అది లెఫ్ట్ టైల్ టెస్ట్, వన్ టైల్ టెస్ట్, లెఫ్ట్ టైల్ టెస్ట్. ఓకే, హియర్ in alternative hypothesis there is a significant difference between the monthly stipend of new management trainees in city B is more than the city A. Okay, and what is the third step? Level of significance. Here alpha value equal to 1%. Alpha value equal to 1%. And what is the next step? Calculation. So in the calculation, so here city A, city B. So in city A monthly stipend. So in monthly stipend means these are the mean values. These are the mean values. That means so here what is our formula? Z equal to modulus x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. Here x1 is denoted by, so that means stipend paid in city A is denoted by x1 bar. So the average stipend paid in city A is x1 bar and the average stipend paid in city B is denoted by x2 bar. So x1 bar and x2 bar. x1 bar equal to 1400 and x2 bar equal to 1600. And second, standard deviation. So standard deviation is denoted by sigma. Sigma 1 equal to 80 and sigma 2 equal to 120. Here sample size. Sample size means number of observations. So the number of observations in city A equal to 200 and N2. So the number of observations in city B equal to 175. Okay, this is the data. So what is the formula? Z equal to modulus x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. x1 bar equal to 1400, that means modulus 1400 minus x2 bar equal to 1600. 1400 minus 1600 by square root of sigma 1 square. Here sigma 1 equal to 80, then 80 square by number of n1, number of observations 200, plus sigma 2 square. Sigma 2 equal to 120, then 120 square by, so n2, number of observations in second sample 175. So then 175, that equal to modulus minus 200 by square root of 80 into 80, 6400 by 200 plus 120 into 120, 14,400 by 175. We will take the positive value. So modulus symbol ఉంది అంటే కనుక మనం నెగిటివ్ వాల్యూ ఉన్నా కానీ పాజిటివ్ వాల్యూగా తీసుకుంటాము. సో దెన్ 200 by here 6400 by 200 equal to 32 plus 14,400 by 175 equal to 82.28. that equal to 200 by square root of 32 plus 82.28 equal to 114.28. then 200 by here 114.28 square root equal to 10.69. then 200 by 10.69 equal to 18.71. this is the Z calculate value. then Z calculate value equal to 18.71. Here level of significance alpha value equal to 1%. So here type of test is one tail test, that means A less than B, that means the one tail test is left tail test. So here left tail type of test equal to left tail test at 1% significance value minus 2.33. What is the value? Minus 2.33. then Z table value equal to minus 2.33. So then we will compare the Z calculate value and table value. So what is the Z calculate value? Z calculate value equal to 18.71. Here what is the Z table value? Minus 2.33. that means calculate value is greater than table value. What is the last step? Conclusion. So in the conclusion part we will write calculate value is greater than table value, then we accept alternative hypothesis at 1% level of significance, and we conclude that the monthly stipend of new management in city B is more than city A. Okay, here in this problem also asked, also construct the 95% and 99% confident limits for the difference between the means. Here first point, 95% confident limits for the difference between the means. Here 95% is confident, level of confident means the remaining 5% is the level of significance, then alpha value equal to 5%. What is the Z table value at 5%? So in this type of model we will see only two-tailed test values. Okay, so then at 5%, two-tailed 5% equal to 1.96. then table value equal to Z table value equal to 1.96. okay, what is the Z formula? Z equal to modulus x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. ఈ ఫార్ములాను ఎలా నోట్ చేస్తామంటే, సో మాడ్యులస్ x1 బార్ మైనస్ x2 బార్ ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ Z టేబుల్ వాల్యూ ఇంటూ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. Here x1 bar equal to 1400 minus x2 bar equal to 1600 modulus 1400 minus 1600 plus or minus z table value equal to 1.96 into, so here this calculation value equal to 10.69. already problem lo calculate chesamu, value equal to 10.69. okay, then so 200, so modulus undi kabatti positive value తీసుకుంటాము, then 200 plus 1.96 into 10.69 or 200 minus 1.96 into 10.69. here 200 plus, so 1.96 into 10.69 equal to 20.95. so 200 plus 20.95, so alage 200 minus 20.95. here this value is 220.95, here 179.05. so finally conclusion, the population values lies between 179.05 and 220.95. so in the same way, so we will calculate also 99% confident limits for the difference between the means. in the same way, so 99% means remaining, that means level of confidence 99% ante, so the remaining value is level of significance, that means alpha value equal to 1%. so at 1% z table value equal to, so in two tailed 1% equal to 2.58, then 2.5 also we will calculate in the same way. okay, so we will see another example problem from this model. so example 3, the annual salary of administrators in the government average 20,000 rupees. so in the same government, the salary of doctors average is 22,500 rupees. so these data related to sample sizes of 35 for each group chosen at random. Test at 5% level of significance whether there is a significant difference in the mean salaries of two groups with ST is 1500, and also construct the 99% confident intervals for difference between the average salaries. here this is the problem. so ee model lo problem iste ganaka first we will find out the values. so manam first given in the problem, so first we will see the మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లము లార్జ్ శాంపులా స్మాల్ శాంపులా, ఫస్ట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాల్సింది ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లం లార్జ్ శాంపుల్ టెస్టా స్మాల్ శాంపుల్ టెస్టా. హియర్ ఇక్కడ శాంపుల్ సైజ్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి శాంపుల్ సైజెస్ ఆఫ్ 35 అన్నాడు, దట్ మీన్స్ దిస్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 30. సో గివెన్ టెస్ట్ ఈజ్ లార్జ్ శాంపుల్ టెస్ట్. ఓకే, హియర్ సో యావరేజెస్ 2 యావరేజెస్ ఇచ్చాడు కాబట్టి సో ఇది లార్జ్ శాంపుల్లో, దట్ మీన్స్ జెడ్ టెస్ట్లో డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ 2 మీన్స్ మోడల్. సో ఇలా మనం ప్రాబ్లం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ది ఫార్ములా? జెడ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మాడ్యులస్ x1 bar minus x2 bar by square root of sigma 1 square by n1 plus sigma 2 square by n2. Here, so the annual salary of administrators in the government average, that is, this is the first average of the sample, that means this is x1 bar. So in the same government, the salary of doctors average is nothing but mean, so this is x2 bar. Okay, so this data related to sample sizes of the sample size means number of observations. So and n1 equal to 35 and n2 also 35. Okay, n1 n2 also 35 for each group chosen at random. Tested 5% level of significance, here alpha value equal to 5%. So whether there is significant difference in the mean salaries of two groups with ST, here standard deviation sigma, so sigma 1 equal to 1500 and sigma 2 also 1500. So we can also find out given test is one-tailed or two-tailed test. సో మనకి ఇచ్చిన టెస్ట్లో ఏమన్నాడంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ అని మాత్రం అన్నాడు. సో అంటే ఇందులో ఎనీ ఇంక్రీజ్ అని కానీ లేదంటే గ్రేటర్ దెన్ అని కానీ లెస్ దెన్ అని కానీ ఏం అడగలేదు కాబట్టి సో ఏమన్నాడంటే దెర్ ఈజ్ సిగ్నిఫికెన్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ అని మాత్రమే అన్నాడు కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ టూ టైల్ టెస్ట్. ఓకే, యూ విల్ సాల్వ్ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్స్ యూ విల్ ఆస్క్ మీ ఇన్ కామెంట్ సెషన్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.